Today we will be discussing child development stages. In the first year, infants will begin to smile, track people with their eyes, discover body parts, and react to sounds. By 6 months, they will be developing preferences on who they like. They will begin to grasp objects such as their toys or maybe teething rings. They'll finally find a personality and begin laughing as well as roll over. Between 1 and 2 years old, they'll begin to walk, talk, imitate adult actions such as making faces or saying words. They'll begin to show pride in the things they do, as well as begin to pretend play. Between the ages 3 and 5, they'll become more independent, make friends, and begin to ask questions. They'll have increased control of hands and feet, as well as begin to express their feelings.